Alright, so I want to pass on this quick tip. I think I came up with a pretty good idea. I've got these LED lights, these shop lights, and you know, I'm going to do another video on testing them, the different ones, but these I got at Costco, and so they run on 120 volts, and you know, just like a regular one. So what occurred to me is that, you know, I need to put lights in this shed, and my shed doesn't have any power to it. So you know, at night it gets pitch black out here, as I've mentioned before. So to put lights in here, I came up with this idea of using a UPS. And so I picked up these UPSs for $10 at the county surplus store, and of course the batteries were dead, but that was all that was wrong with them. So I just ordered some online, and I bought 4 of them, and you know, the batteries were $15 a piece, so for $25 I got a UPS. So since it put out 120 volts from the 12-volt battery, you just turn on the UPS. Bingo, got lights. And so I got 4 of them. So, you know, I'm gonna have a second one here as is essentially to swap in once the battery dies in this one. So when the battery gets run down and it stops working, you just plug the cord into the second one, and then you take the one with the dead battery and you take it back where you have power, and you just plug it in and it charges it up. So that's the awesome thing about these UPS, is that it's an inverter and a charger all in one. So yeah, I just thought I'd pass on that tip. I would also add one more thing, and that's a 500. Oh, that's a 350. I noticed when I took them apart, because they beep, right? They're designed when they go on battery, and there's no more AC input coming in, they beep telling you that, you know, oh, you're on battery power now, and that's extremely annoying. So I opened them up, which is really, for this model is really easy. There's 2 screws in the back. I mean, you know, you can use any UPS. Doesn't really, this model is just, there's just 2 screws and it comes apart. But when you take it apart, you'll see in the circuit board there's a little round thing, and that's the speaker. I just ripped it out of there. And let me give you a tip on that. When you rip it out, don't just rip it out, because you just kind of twist it. Just put some pliers on it and twist it back and forth, and then the leads will break off. So you don't do any damage. All you do is break off the leads. So now it doesn't beep. And now I got power in my shed. So I'm excited. I'm going to put another pair of them in my other shed at home. And maybe I should, well, they only had 1 extra one. So but like I said, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't even be this model. Any model. And you can find these things free and often. I don't know why people throw them away when the batteries, I guess they just don't need them anymore, I suppose. But anyway, just thought I'd give a quick video on this idea I had, because I saw them for sale and they were cheap, and what can I do with that? And then I said, and then I have all these LED lights. They run 120 volts, so combine them both. So that's all right. There you go. Hope you find that useful. See you next time. Thanks for watching.